Hey there everyone, welcome back here. In today's video, let's go ahead and learn how you can delete a business account or how you can switch your business account to your personal accounts on your Instagram. Now, let's say you had a business account before and you closed down your business and you no longer use it. Therefore, you want to simply delete it or you either want to switch it to your personal accounts. And then to do that, the first thing that you want to do on your Instagram is very simple. Now go ahead and tap on your Instagram applications, and quickly after that go ahead and tap on your profile. Quickly after that go ahead and tap on the hamburger icon on the top, and here you need to choose your settings. Of course, if you have a business account, then you'll be able to see the business features will be available here. Now to change or delete it, go ahead and tap on your account, and then you have to scroll down all the way down here to where it says switch to account type. Now go ahead and tap on there, and now you have to choose a switch to personal accounts. Go ahead and tap on there, and now it is going to give you this pop-up. Simply tap on switch to personal accounts. Well, after that, it's going to say you have switched your personal accounts. After that, if you just come up here, then you'll be able to see the business option is now completely gone. So this is how you basically can delete or switch your, let's say that business account to your personal accounts. Hope you find this video useful. If you think so, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and we will talk to you all later.